Hey guys, I was fishing. I was using a chigger craw 3-inch and I caught this nice bass. Well, it's only about a pound, but yeah. I missed one and then this one bit and I set the hook. They're not biting my crankbaits, they're only biting these craws. You just gotta basically make it hop right in front of their face and they'll go up to it and bite it. So I'll see you with another fish. It's been tough. Hey guys, I went back home and then came back and I just caught this monster bass. Well, it's only about 3 pounds. Hey guys, I just got back fishing and I caught this about 3-pound bass. 3 pound. He's nice. I'm gonna unhook him and get back to fishing. This might be the last fish of the day, but see you then. Hey guys, just got another bass. Right after that big one, just a couple minutes, cast it in almost same spot, and got about a pound. Yeah, it feels a pound. Like a pound. I've been catching them on this 3-inch blue chigger craw. He's a nice one. Yeah, I've been catching them on the 3 bluish chigger craw. I gave up in the middle of the day to go to baseball practice, but then I came back in the evening and they're biting. Let me get the hook out and I'll show you what bait I was using. Okay. Here's the release. And then this is what I was using. Just that chigger craw Texas rigged with the 1/8 ounce bullet weight. And that's what I was catching them on. So let me get back to you and hopefully with some more fish.